Just as Nyangaya attached Linux cron logs, the ladyship is like, and he says these people had access. It's easy to read those logs. They did not mention, no one of those people had access. It's like someone telling you, as you are using your computer, it's running background information. It will give a lot of the OS will be running. It gives a lot of information. And someone says, oh, Ma had accessed the laptop of the judges and did this. And the information that person is giving you is the OS system. Oh, this server, there was an update of this program, there was this. If there was any evidence of that, you should provide something that says, this person accessed at this day on this at this time. So even the logs which are attached to Justin Nyangaya's affidavit are not things that will bear out the allegations they are making. The second thing that I want to mention to the court is the affidavit. A lot of people have made the submissions by the petitioners was that the affidavit of Benson Wesonga and John Joroge proves there was access. We've answered those affidavits, and you will read it. It will surprise this court that Joroge says, I audited the Iebc system. And in answering the first question, we told him, that is a criminal offense. How do you have access to the Iebc system? Which, of course, is a lie. Then he attaches logs. Some of them cooked up, but some of them we've answered. So, for example, he says, the chairman's PA, a gentleman of repute and an advocate of this court who's been a row all over the country, who was part of the 15 people who were doing verification on the bomber's desk, who all the agents were present when they were making the verification of the C. Oh, him he accessed, and 2 other people. How many times? 1,000 times. First, what did they access? I told you, no one can access or upload anything apart from the Kim Sone. What they accessed was at the verification panel for the C, and all the agents were there. Did they require the chairman to sit there entering manually the 46? And in fact, we have attached the authorization for each and every person who was seated on that table. And the court should take judicial notice of what was going on in Bomas and the constitutional timeline relating to the 7-day. Those people had access, the agents were there, everyone was there, and of course, they will verify. He verified 1,000, another person will verify 800. There are Kenyans who have not slept for 5-6 days to actually undertake a constitutional duty of a higher calling. Not well remunerated people who hadn't slept for 6-7 days. They are actually, what they are doing is, they access. Yes, what were they supposed to do? They will access the RTS panel for the C. They will verify you were there. The deponent was on the floor of Bomas. Joroge was there. Their agents were there. The ICT was there. And the court should make note of, there was no one allegation that a form that is in the portal was different than an original which they had verified as relates to the tally. So there's another argument that they say, oh, our client, the petitioner votes were deducted and added to this. We told them, show us the proof. How are they deducted? We have 7 proofs. So in mathematics, you use proofs to prove a point, to prove knowns and unknowns. We have 7 proofs. We have our arrows at the polling station. They had agents. You had agents at the CTC. We have the original. You have agents at the NTC. We have original. We have what is transmitted in the portal. We have original. All of them tally, and you are saying your client's votes were deducted. How? I will mention a small issue on the register. I want to note the court, we understood the issues as framed by the court. as those issues